Hey everybody, so today we are going to be talking about the tactical 5.11 TMT P1 flashlight. This particular model is unisex, but I assume that all flashlights are unisex. I'm not sure why that's actually in the title for that, but that's what it is. It's one of your smaller flashlights. That's the size of it right there. It comes in black. It's made out of aluminum. It's actually aircraft grade aluminum. It's a regulated circuit for maximum output, and it's got a Cree high output for LEDs. It's actually at 344 lums. I actually like this little flashlight. It's a little bit thicker than one of your other kind of pocket pen light flashlights. It lasts a little bit longer. You can put rechargeable batteries in it. As a matter of fact, I suggest that you get the rechargeable batteries. It comes with batteries, but they are not rechargeable. This is what your battery case looks like. It's waterproof. It's built like a horse. You can actually feel the texture in that. Two of these batteries here, the lithium CR17345. Those little small fat stubby batteries. I highly suggest that you get the rechargeable ones, because you know when you're using AA's, AAA's, C's, D's, whatever, you can just run any gas station store, you can pick some up. But when you're dealing with these kind of off CR123A cell batteries, then you're kind of out of luck when you run out. So I highly suggest grabbing you rechargeable station at the same time. When you put it back in, it actually has like a little groove there, and then you can see where it actually kind of has a groove on the inside, and that's how you line it up and just sit it right back in and then screw it in. I mean, you can completely tell the difference that it's waterproof. It reminds me of my diving flashlights that I actually take underwater. That's your little clip that you have right there. Just regular, go ahead, push in the back. It's not going to come on now because I have run the battery down and I need to get some of those rechargeable batteries as well as a regular station. So the wrist holder comes with it as well. It detaches right here if you want to detach it and just have like a little thin piece here. I put 550 cord on everything except for this one, only because the battery had ran down when I got ready to take it out this last time. Like I said, it's 344 lums. It lasts for 2.25 hours running time, and it shoots out to about 184 meters. This is the Pro Series, so you can definitely tell the difference between this and some of those other cheaper brands. This is the packaging that it comes in here. Very small, it's very compact. It's a regulated circuit. Like I said, it's the aerospace grade aluminum. It's got a multifunction tail cap switch with the momentary on and off, high, ultra low, and strobe in the back. So you have different functions in the back. You can just turn it on, click it again, and then you can just barely touch it and it's gonna come on when you need it, instead of being on the whole entire time and then shutting it off. You just literally flick it and then barely touch it and it's gonna come on for you. So if you're doing anything, if you're doing some tactical shooting when you're holding and you're using a light, then you can just depress it just a tad and it's gonna come on, it's gonna go off when you need it to, instead of doing that and then coming back on. So that's one of the things that I love about it as well. And like I said, it comes with those batteries in the beginning, but they are gonna run out on you. That spring steel pocket clip is perfect. It's very, very strong, and it works like a charm. It has two different modes for turning it on. You can turn it on high, you can turn it on low. For high, it's gonna run for 2 hours and 15 minutes on a full charge. If you have it on low, it's 30 hours and 40 minutes. Strobe is 4 hours and 45 minutes in case you're sitting out there somewhere and you're strobing and needing some help. On high, you're looking at 184 meters. On low, you're looking at 56 meters, and that strobe is 196 meters. So there you go. It has impact resistant So if you drop it, it's still gonna work up to 1 meter. It's water resistant to IPX4 standards. I wouldn't take this diving, but I have had it out in the woods or in the rain, and everything still works on it like a charm. Absolutely love these. These are my first 5.11 flashlights, and I don't think I'm gonna be going back to anything else. I haven't tried any other higher grade ones, so this is my first time having high grade flashlights, and I'm impressed. 5.11, the TMT P1 Professional Series Unisex. So there you go. You guys have a great day.